up everyone, it's Jimmy. Today I want to talk about accessory that I picked up recently, and I also do a quick unboxing review to show you guys how it looks like. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys like it. Let's get into it. So here we go. The first stop is right here called Werkstatt München. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Basically everything is handcrafted in Munich. Anyway, I believe lots of avant-garde heads will know this brand pretty much. Additionally, this is an awesome chain, nice closures, everything is just so perfectly done. And it comes with a really simple, thick paper box, but look very decent, and compared to others, it's more like a shorter necklace. Obviously, it's handcrafted and pretty amazing quality as well. And as you can see, it crafts some symbol on it to give some details. And hope you guys can see they also craft irregularly shape on its surface, which gives this necklace really unique vibe. As for the chain, they did some aging process to make it more antique look that I really love and appreciate. And obviously it's made of 925 silver, which is pretty amazing in my opinion. Definitely recommend you guys to check out this brand that makes some gorgeous product. I will link the Instagram down below if you don't know. And make sure to keep an eye on this brand. Thank you for today. Cheers.